Today, we're diving into an in-depth comparison between two innovative fasting mimicking diet programs, ProLon versus Kroma. In this video, I'll share why ProLon stands out as a superior choice while also comparing its features with those offered by Kroma, so you can make an informed decision for your health and wellness journey. Let's begin with ProLon. ProLon is a scientifically designed fasting mimicking diet, FMD, that offers you the benefits of a traditional fast, such as cellular regeneration, improved metabolism, and overall health improvements, without the harsh deprivation of complete fasting. Developed by leading researchers, ProLon provides a 5-day program with pre-portioned, nutrient-rich meals that work to trick your body into a fasting state. This unique approach supports cellular repair and rejuvenation, all while supplying your body with essential nutrients to maintain energy and vitality. Many users report feeling more focused, energetic, and even noticing improvements in skin and digestion after completing the ProLon program. Get 15% off ProLon using the link in the video description. Now, let's turn our attention to Kroma. Kroma is another entrant in the fasting mimicking diet space, offering a similar concept of providing a structured, low-calorie, nutrient-dense meal plan designed to mimic the effects of fasting. While Kroma shares the goal of promoting health benefits through controlled caloric intake and enhanced cellular repair, it is relatively newer in the market. Kroma's program is designed to deliver comparable benefits, such as weight management and metabolic improvements, but it hasn't yet amassed the same level of clinical backing and long-term user testimonials as ProLon. When comparing the two, one of the major advantages of ProLon is its solid foundation in scientific research. ProLon's meal plans have been rigorously tested and are supported by clinical trials, offering you a high level of confidence in its efficacy. In contrast, while Kroma shows promise with its innovative approach, it still has less documented evidence and a smaller user base to validate its results. Additionally, ProLon's ease of use and well-structured program makes it accessible for both beginners and seasoned individuals looking to experience the benefits of fasting without the extended discomfort of traditional fasting methods. Its clear guidelines and pre-packaged meals take the guesswork out of meal planning, allowing you to focus on the benefits and the results. Before I wrap up, here's some exciting news. For a limited time, you can get 15% off on all ProLon products by using the discount code via the link in the video description below. In conclusion, while both ProLon and Kroma aim to provide the benefits of fasting in a manageable way, ProLon stands out for its robust scientific backing, user-friendly approach, and proven results.